Hello and happy Friday. Happy Halloween. Hope you guys are having a good Friday and have a great weekend. We just have a few things that you need to do today for your online assignments. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to listen to the story, A Very Busy Spider. It's this story right here, and you're going to press play right here and listen to the story, okay? And then after that, you're going to do a retelling thing. So retelling is when you retell a story, you are telling it again. So make sure to include important characters, the setting, the problem, and the solution. So this is what you're going to do after you have watched the story. You're going to put the characters, the animals, in order from the first time you see them to the last time you see them, okay? So you'll move these pieces and put them in order, okay? The next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on this link right here, and it is going to take you to your mystery science video where you're going to figure out the biggest spider in the world. Oh, so creepy. The next thing you're going to do, this is a review, so if this looks familiar, that is why. So I just want you to do a quick review on tally marks because some of my friends are still struggling with this. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to move this circle, and like for example, this is 8, and you're going to find the tally mark that shows 8. You're going to find the number that shows this amount of tally marks. You're going to find the tally mark that shows this amount, 6. You're going to find the number that shows this amount of tally marks, and you're going to circle it. And the same thing with 7. You're going to find the one that has 7 tally marks and circle it. And then looking at the tally marks, counting them, and figuring out the best number that matches that. Again, you'll just drag that circle over, and yes, it is review, okay? The last thing that you're going to do today is you're going to click on this link right here, and it's going to take you to your Scholastic news. So this is what I sent home last week. I think I sent it home on Friday or Thursday. Actually, no, I sent it home on Monday. Sent it home on Monday, and this is your Scholastic news. So the magazine that has the pumpkin on it, okay? Some of you have already done that, and that is just fine. But if you haven't, go ahead and click on this, and it will read the story to you. You'll answer the questions, and then of course go through your magazine and circle any sight words you know or any other words you know. That is it for today, guys. Super simple on your Friday. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I can't wait to see you on Monday.